Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's make some yummy oatmeal raisin cookies. These are soft batch raisin oatmeal cookies, and we're going to start out with 1 cup of melted butter. Add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Add 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Let's give this a mix. Add 2 eggs. Mix this again, just incorporating each ingredient into the mix. Add 1 cup of raisins. Add 1½ cup of instant oats, quick oats. You can add rolled oats, but I don't like them as well. I just think they're a little bit chewier. I like the quick oats in this. Now let's go ahead and give that a mix. And then we are going to add 1 3.4-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding. And because you're adding the vanilla pudding, you do not need to add vanilla to this. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to give it another mix. And for our final ingredient, we are going to add 1 1/4 cup of flour, and that's self-rising flour. And again, I'm just incorporating each ingredient into the mix. You're going to mix this until you don't see any more flour. And your cookie dough should look like this. Now you will need a cookie sheet, and you're going to want to put parchment paper on that cookie sheet. Okay, y'all, I am old school. I just used 2 teaspoons to drop my cookie dough onto the parchment paper, and I just used a heaping teaspoon of the dough to do that. You'll end up with 12 cookies on the cookie sheet, but this recipe yields 32 cookies total. Make sure you have preheated your oven to 350 degrees before you start this process. And we're going to set this for 10 minutes, our timer. Put it in the oven, and voila, about 10 to 12 minutes later, depending on your oven, these cookies are done. I have been wanting to try this hack I saw. You get a glass cup, and while your cookie's hot, you just put it around the cookie and swirl it around, and it makes it round, just like this. And it works. It works, guys. By the way, these soft batch oatmeal raisin cookies, they are so yummy. They are my favorite.